Hello friends, welcome to BusyMed channel. My name is Nusra Khatun. In this video, I am going to discuss about the coronavirus. Okay, so in this video, I am going to discuss about the coronavirus. Okay, what type of nucleic acid the coronavirus have, and how many coronaviruses are existing in the environment, and out of them, how many coronaviruses are infecting the humans, and how many infecting the severe respiratory disease, and how many infecting the milder disease to the humans. Okay, I'm going to discuss which coronaviruses are infecting the milder disease to humans and which coronaviruses are infecting the severe disease to humans, severe respiratory disease, and what are they. Okay, and where they discovered, in which year they discovered, in which place they discovered. I am going to discuss all about it. And does that coronavirus affect the India or not, we are going to discuss in this video. So please watch this video completely, and please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. If you like the video, then please share the video with your friends and press on the like button and comment in the comment box. So let's start with the video. Coronavirus. Human coronavirus. First, I am giving the brief introduction. Okay, about the coronavirus. Introduction. Human coronavirus consists of single stranded RNA. As we know that viruses have single stranded RNA and double stranded RNA. So human coronaviruses, they have DNA or RNA, but the human coronaviruses have single stranded RNA. Remember, this is the most important point, and it has helical symmetry. And it is enveloped virus. This is the most important point to remember, that it is enveloped virus. So as it is enveloped viruses, so this virus can be destroyed when we wash our hands with soap, because the enveloped viruses can be destroyed by chemicals such as ether, bile, chloroform and detergents. So when we wash our hands with soap, this enveloped virus, the envelope which is surrounding this coronavirus, get destroyed. Okay, so we need to wash our hands with soap. So this is the most important point, as enveloped virus can be destroyed by detergents, ether, bile, chloroform. Okay, now how many coronaviruses are existing in the environment? More than 100 coronaviruses are existing in the environment. More than 100 coronaviruses are existing in the environment. Okay, and out of them, only 7 coronaviruses are capable of infecting humans. Remember this, that more than 100 coronaviruses are existing in the environment, but out of these, only 7 coronaviruses are infecting the humans. are capable of infecting humans. Okay, now I am going to discuss out of these 7 how many coronaviruses are capable of causing milder respiratory disease and how many coronaviruses are capable of causing severe respiratory disease. Out of 7, 4 coronaviruses are capable of causing milder respiratory disease and other 3 are the important coronaviruses which causes the severe respiratory disease. Okay, coronavirus that produce milder respiratory disease. Milder respiratory disease. Okay, coronaviruses that produce milder respiratory disease, widespread in distribution and cause milder upper respiratory infection. Widespread in distribution and cause milder upper respiratory infection. Examples include human coronavirus 229E, human coronavirus 229E, human coronavirus NL63, human coronavirus NL63, human coronavirus OC43, human coronavirus HKU1. Human coronavirus HKU1. So this is the viruses which are causing milder respiratory tract infection. Okay. Now coming to the viruses which are causing severe respiratory tract infection. Important coronaviruses that produce severe respiratory disease. Important coronaviruses that produce severe respiratory disease. Severe respiratory disease. Example include SARS coronavirus, SARS coronavirus, MERS-CoV, SARS-CoV-2. SARS coronavirus is severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus. Severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus. MERS-CoV, it is Middle East respiratory syndrome coronavirus. Middle East respiratory syndrome coronavirus. And SARS-CoV is severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2. Severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2. Okay. Now I'm going to discuss about each where they discovered, okay, in which place they exposed first, and does they spread to India or not. I'm going to discuss one by one. First starting with the SARS-CoV, okay. SARS-CoV. This is the virus which was discovered in 2003. SARS-CoV discovered in 2003. It was discovered in 2003. It has exposed the epidemic in China. Where it occurred? In China, okay. It has first exposed the epidemic in China. In China, okay. It was limited to China. It did not spread to India, and along with China it affected the few other countries, but it did not affect the India. Remember this point, that SARS-CoV did not affect the India, okay. Around 8,000 plus cases were reported. So it was limited to China, okay. It was limited to China. It did not spread to India. This is the most important point, that it did not spread to India, and along with China few other countries are also affected, but India is not affected, and around 8,000 plus cases were reported. So this is about the SARS-CoV, that is the severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus, which also causes the severe respiratory syndrome, and it was reported in China, and it was limited to China, and it did not spread to India, and it was discovered in 2003, and around 8,000 plus cases were reported. Now coming to the next coronavirus, that is MERS-CoV, Middle East Respiratory Syndrome coronavirus. It was first reported since 2003. It has been reported since 2012, and it is restricted to Middle East countries like Saudi Arabia and other Middle East countries. India again has not been affected with the MERS-CoV. So this is the most important point, that India again it is not affected by the MERS-CoV, and with the name you can see that the name itself says that is Middle East Respiratory Syndrome, that it occurs in the Middle East, okay. It is restricted to the Middle East countries like Saudi Arabia, and it has been reported since 2012. MERS-CoV has been reported since 2012, and it largely restricted to Middle East countries like Saudi Arabia, okay, and India again, it is not affected by MERS-CoV. India again has not been affected by MERS-CoV. Now coming to the main topic, that is the SARS-CoV-2, okay, which is very important topic, severe acute respiratory syndrome 2. This has impacted the coronavirus disease in 2020. This is the virus, that is the SARS-CoV, which has impacted the SARS-CoV-2 has impacted the COVID-19 disease in 2020. This has impacted the COVID-19 disease in 2020. Remember this point. Which virus has impacted the COVID-19 disease in 2020? SARS-CoV-2 has impacted, okay? Now coming to the origin of these viruses. Origin of the SARS-CoV, MERS-CoV and SARS-CoV-2, from where these viruses are originating, we are going to discuss about that. It is believed that the origin of virus is from bat, okay? The origin of this virus is from bat, okay? And the virus is transmitted to man from bat through various animals. Various animals are involved in the transmission of this virus from bat to the human, okay? So remember that pangolin is suspected for SARS-CoV-2, although it is not true, and camel is for the MERS-CoV, and cat is for the civet cat is for the SARS-CoV, okay? Once humans are infected, then role of animal is zero. So the origin is from the bat, and through various animals this virus is getting transmitted to the humans. So the intermediate host which is involved is in MERS-CoV, that is in the Middle East respiratory syndrome. The intermediate which is involved is camel. Remember this point. And in SARS-CoV, the intermediate which is involved is civet cat, and in SARS-CoV-2 the intermediate which is involved is pangolin, okay? So pangolin. So the origin of virus is from the bat, and these viruses are transmitted to the man, that is the final host, okay? Final host is the human. Final host is the human, and to human the transmission takes place through these animals which are the intermediate host, and mode of transmission is same. Mode of transmission is close contact, okay? So that's why we say that we need to maintain the social distance. Mode of transmission in all these viruses is close contact. It is close contact. Close contact with mucus of fluids. Close contact the here it is not known mainly, but mainly we say close contact only, but still the research is going on. And pangolin also, although it is not true, but we believe that the suspected case for SARS-CoV-2 is pangolin, but still we are researching on that. Still it is not true. Okay. So this is about the origin of MERS-CoV, SARS-CoV and SARS-CoV-2. That is, the origin is from the bat, and through these intermediate hosts, the transmitted to the human and causing the infection. The intermediate host in MERS-CoV is the chemical, in the SARS-CoV is the civet cat, and whereas in SARS-CoV-2 the pangolin is suspected. The pangolin is suspected in the SARS-CoV-2, although it is not true. Okay, so once these humans are infected, then the role of animal is zero. Because why the role of animal is zero? Because now the transmission is taking from human to human. Once the virus is get infected from animal to the human, so now the animal role is zero. After that, the transmission is taking place from human to human. Okay, this is the important point. And second important point, it is believed that the source is animal. Okay, animal is the source from which the virus is transmitted to human, and animal in turn got virus from the bat. Okay, animal in turn got virus from the bat, and the source of infection to human is the animal. So this is about the coronavirus in detail. This is the introduction of the coronavirus, and which coronaviruses are causing the mild disease, which coronaviruses are causing the severe disease we discussed. And we discussed about the origin of these, the coronaviruses which are causing the severe disease. Okay, and we discussed about this severe disease causing coronaviruses, where they first discovered and where they first exposed, in which place. Okay, they spread to India or not. Okay, and how many cases are reported. All these things we discussed in detail. So if you like the video, then please share the video with your friends so that they should also get benefit. And please subscribe to my channel, as I will be coming with more such updates on the coronavirus. And press the like button. If you like the video, then press the like button and comment in the comment box, and press the bell icon, so whenever I post the video you will get the update. Thank you.